I'm Jen, and welcome to my studio. And today, it's my birthday. I decided that, Technique Tuesday fell on my birthday, so I was like, you know what? I'm doing a technique video for my birthday. Usually on this day, every year I put out a dance video or something to celebrate this upcoming year and like launching myself into the year. But then I realized that my birthday falls on Technique Tuesday, and I was like, well, I can't release 2 videos in one day. That's weird. So instead, I decided to take this opportunity to teach you my step. So in all of my classes and in all of my companies, over the years, people have realized that I do this one step all the time, and it's become such a me thing. It's become so associated with me. One time, instead of happy birthday on my birthday cake, it literally wrote this step, like jump, pull back, step, scuff, heel, stamp. It literally wrote that. It's also, I wrote a novel, and it's actually like at the end of the novel, really, really light. It's like an Easter egg in the novel. I wrote this step. It is my step. Now, you may have done a variation of it at some point. You may have done this exact step before. It just didn't have a name. That happens a lot. I don't mean to say that I made this up. I just mean that this is the step that is so associated with me. Everyone in my companies, in my studios, calls it the Jen. So basically, whenever I do a piece of choreography, I'm like, all right, so this part's paradiddle, stamp, stamp, paradiddle, stamp, stamp, paradiddle, 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 stamp, and then the Jen, and then they just understand what I'm talking about, because that's how associated with me this step is. Now, I'm going to teach you the Jen, and it's just a little combination of steps, and now it would mean the world to me if you would call it the Jen. That would be like so cool, but you don't have to, but it'd be so cool if you did. So today, in honor of me turning another year older and having this channel for another year, we are going to learn my step. So let's get started. It's pretty short. It starts with a jump. Now, usually before a pullback, you would do like a ball change. We are just gonna go head first into this. Now, the other thing about me is that I'm kind of branding myself as the punk rock tap dancer. That doesn't mean that I only tap dance to punk rock music. It means that my philosophy and my style embodies punk rock. Everything that punk rock stands for is basically me. It's that I'm gonna follow the rules, but I'm gonna do them my own way. I'm gonna make things a little bit different, and that's just always been who I am. So what I love about this is that it's high energy, like the start of a punk rock show. Jump into that pullback. So you gotta give it some oomph. Now, whether you do your pullbacks from flat foot or on the toe right now depends on where you are in your learning journey, and that's okay. Wherever that is, make sure that that's where you jump to. Right from there, you will do a pullback. So jump, pull back. So the hardest part about this step is that when you jump, you gotta hit both feet at the same time. You can't let it be that. It's gotta be at the same time. Cool? So we're just gonna do jump, pull back. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, pull back. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Cool? From there, you're here, your right foot is free if this was a right pullback. You can also do the Jen on the left, though I have to admit, I don't think I've ever done it. It's always on the right. I'm gonna have to do it on the left later. So you're here, your right foot's free. You have step, scuff heel, stamp. Now some of you that have been with me on this channel for a while are going, wait a minute, I've done that step. Yes, it's in almost every dance I do, because it's my step. You've definitely done this before. So jump, pull back. Now your right foot's free. You have step, scuff, heel, stamp. The timing of it is 1 E and a 2 and 3 and 4. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 E and a 2 and 3 and 4. Again. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Now, there are variations of other things that are very similar to this. Like there's a version of shave and a haircut that is very like that, but it has this like click in it, and it's There are variations of everything. So I'm not claiming to have invented this. This is just a phrase that has been associated with me. I just want to point that out as you guys may be having like light bulbs go off. Like, wait a minute, I've seen this before. I am not claiming to have made this up. I simply associate it with me. Let's do it again. Jump, pull, back, step, scuff, heel, stamp. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Do we want to dare try it on the left? Do I want to try that in this video? Because I don't think I've ever done it. Y'all have witnessed me trying that for the first time on the left. Let's do it together on the left. So you're going to jump, left, whoa, left, pull back. Your left foot is free. Step, scuff, heel, stamp. Don't forget that scuff is just with the heel. So let's do it on the left. Whew, I can't believe that went well. All right, let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. I have to think so hard to pull my left foot first. I have to think really, really hard. All right, so we did it on the right, on the left. That's the Jenne. There's a variation of the Jenne. I call that the vertical Jenne because it goes forward to back. It has a forward back trajectory. There is a horizontal Jenne, which means it's going to go along the x-axis. And if it's associated with me, you know it has to do with tap dance or math. You absolutely know it because those are two things I love very, very much. So that's the y-axis version. The x-axis version is exactly the same, but you replace the jump pull back with a step shuffle pickup toe. So you have a maxi forward with a pickup, and then that same ending, step, scuff, heel, stamp. So let's try that on the right. Step, shuffle, pickup toe, step, scuff, heel, stamp. 5, 6, 7. Awesome. Left side. I've done this one on the left for sure. 5, 6, 7, go. Step, awesome. And that's it. That's the Jenne. So jump, pull, back, step, scuff, heel, stamp, or maxi forward, pick up, step, scuff, heel, stamp, or maxi forward, grab off, whichever one you want to call it. That's the Jenne. So thank you guys so much for spending a little piece of my birthday with me today. I truly love what I do for a living, and I truly love being able to share the greatest love of my life, which is tap dance, with you guys. So thank you so much for making my, I can just tell you my age. Thank you so much for making my 37th year on Earth so special by being with me for every single day of it last year. Now, as I go into my 38th year on Earth, I can't wait to spend the whole thing with you guys as well, right here on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to become a part of this Tap fam, and hit the thumbs up to wish me happy birthday. Thumbs up for happy birthday. I love that I was able to teach this to you today, and I've got a really, really cool vlog coming out tomorrow, birthday themed. So, also shout out to all the other Geminis out there, because I know we crazy, and I am obsessed with astrology, so if you ever want to talk to me about it, I got you, okay? So, I hope you guys had fun learning this step. I always have fun teaching you. As always, thank you for dancing with me.